How to use ChatGPT, Quick Start Guide for Beginners. To start using ChatGPT, you'll need to access a platform or application that has integrated the ChatGPT API. This could be a website, app, or any other service that utilizes ChatGPT for conversation purposes. In our case, we will go directly to chat.openai.com, where you can use ChatGPT for free or purchase a Plus subscription. Once you're on the platform, you can begin the conversation by typing a message or question in the provided text input field. Be as clear and specific as possible to get the most relevant and helpful response. After typing your message or question, press Enter, or click on Send button to submit your text to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will process your input and generate a response based on its training and knowledge. This may take a few seconds, depending on the complexity of the question and the speed of the platform. Once ChatGPT generates a response, it will appear in the conversation. Read the response and evaluate its relevance and accuracy. If the response is not what you were looking for, try rephrasing your question or providing more context. You can keep asking questions or making statements in the conversation. ChatGPT will continue to provide responses based on the context and information you provide. Remember that ChatGPT is an AI language model, and its knowledge is limited to the information it was trained on, which goes up to September 2021. It's always a good idea to verify any critical information you receive from the AI with other reliable sources. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.